Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean Trades here with the market analysis and update. Very bearish day yesterday. Obviously, it surprised a lot of the bulls because of the selling pressure we had. Not only that, we also had confirmation selling volume here as well. This should be pretty self explanatory by simply comparing the volume profile here and also the side volume profile here, just seeing the strength at zones where we were expecting to see buying pressure. Instead, we saw selling pressure rejected off of the 5210 supply zone and ended up actually piercing straight below the 5150 demand zone. And now looks like we're headed to more lower targets, which now we are at the 5080 level. After that, really the real support's not until the 5040 area and also the 5000 level on ES. As far as SPY, daily chart, again, very bearish close below the 9 and 21 moving averages here on the daily chart with volume confirmation, right? So from here on, the next level down I have is 500 psychological level. On the daily chart, we also do have a downside gap to fill here as well, which we are pretty much trading, right above it. So that could be a potential play tomorrow or the next coming days with a gap fill PT all the way down to about 497, 498 level. I'm not sure if that's going to happen right away. For me, if I want to get into shorts, I'll be a little, patient here as we are very overextended to the downside, as you can see on all time frames. The momentum indicator RSI is all at oversold levels on the daily, oversold on 4 hour, oversold on hourly. Also, 5 and 15 minute not really oversold, but it doesn't really matter because these are lower time frames. It doesn't really give us much anticipated moves for the long term perspective. So the major time frames are all oversold. So we are expecting at least some sort of a small corrective bounce. The way I'll be looking to play here is if you were to retest this trend line here, 507, or preferably actually the 509. The reason for that is because 509 was a level where we saw lots of buying there, right? But we weren't able to hold that level. So it's possible that if we test it, we're either going to do one of the two things. We're going to hit it, reject it, and we can get into a breakup structure here for the potential downside to the 500s, or what we're going to do is we're going to test it and buyers are going to reclaim it. And we can look to go long when we confirm this retest and get into a breakup structure to the upside here at this small pullback with a target back up to the 512, 514 level. But I don't think that this will be the case just because of the volume and just because of the structure that we are in. We also have closed completely below the 4 hour 200-day moving average, which is a major reversal signal as well. Just don't be impatient. Don't chase straight into shorts. It makes little more sense to go long here in terms of risk to reward, but I'll be really cautious on, hoping that your call positions or your call scalp will go to make the SPY go to 520. It's not. If you are planning on going long, I would probably just think about short term and just wait to take profit. If you did get in here, take profit at the 508 or 509 retest. For me, we're in a structure where we really just want to short every pop as of now. Things can change with a lot of datas and Fed speaking this week. We'll see how it goes. But as far as structure concerned, we are quite bearish, and I would not fight against the trend.